everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Sarah, and that's Ellis. We love to adventure in the great outdoors, and we have seen a lot of beautiful places over the last few years. We have hiked, camped, and splashed in some truly amazing places. We don't know where all we will get to visit in the future, but we want to continue adventuring, and we've decided to take you along with us. Our next adventure is the one I am most excited about yet. Meet our truck camper. We just bought this amazing 2002 Lance 815. It's in pretty good condition for its age, but it still needs some improvements and renovations here and there in order to become our perfect adventure rig. Follow along to see where our adventures take us next. Hello friends, happy weekend. Welcome into another video. This weekend I have really big plans. It is right now Friday evening. I have big plans of what I'm going to be doing on Sunday. Tomorrow we're going to be working on the camper. Dad's going to be going over there with me, and we'll be hopefully installing all the blinds and window curtains and maybe working a little bit on the steps to allow Ellis to get up into the bed area, but we'll just see how the time goes, I guess. And then as for my big plans that are going to be coming on Sunday, well, you'll be actually seeing that in next week's video, hopefully, if all goes according to plan. But without further ado, let's hop on into the projects we'll be getting accomplished in this week's video.
Up there.
Oh, we need washers or something?
Yeah. See how it works, right?
Yep, I'll try.
Alright, we're gonna do this one.
Yeah.
Alright. There you go.
This is what we have by way of drink.
The hymns is falling apart.
Everywhere?
Don't look at it. So we're not going to screw it down. We're leaving it like that.
Okay.
All right, let's get out of here.
Okay, and we are back home now. That's going to be it for the progress for this weekend. Feels like we got a really good project tackled, but I actually have something else that I'm going to be working on this weekend that you guys will be seeing more of next weekend. I'm really excited to show you this one, so definitely make sure that you are subscribed so that you will see that update next weekend. It's definitely one you'll want to stick around for. But that's it for now, so I hope y'all have a great rest of your weekend. I'll see you again next weekend. Bye for now.
Hello, everyone. I need to shave later.
Is it bent?
Uh-huh.
Look at this flower. Like, who does she think she is? Gorgeous. Absolutely breathtaking.